all waiting to come on. So which games do you miss when you're in Cyprus?
Eh?
Which games do you miss when you're in Cyprus?
Newport, Morecambe and Plymouth away.
Oh, 2 home games.
Yeah, I'll be handing my ticket up with Bristol. Fucking feel like
I've arrived at London Bridge, 5 to 10, and they've closed down the southern side of the station because they're opening some of the platforms. Well, they're opening the 2 new platforms and closing down another 2.
Network Rail or
Sorry?
do you work for Network Rail or you just taking photographs around?
No, I'm just no, I'm just filming. Waiting for my train. I'm on the 10 past 10 to it's the Heath Line train.
Okay.
Just comes. It looks good at night.
Was your night vision that one?
No, it's just normal. It's quite good at filming at night.
I'm just checking in because you know.
No, that's fine.
The cameras around.
Yeah, no, that's okay.
Normally you would have to ask Network Rail for permission to do that anyway.
Oh, would I? Oh well. A good few hours after leaving home, I now arrive back at Falconwood after a long day and a 1-0 defeat. Bye bye train, see you again another day.